Meaning of fetchingly.
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 Fetchingly. Fetchingly is an adverb that means something is done or presented in an attractive, pleasing, and charming way. When something is done fetchingly, it elicits a positive and admiring response from the observer, creating a sense of allure and interest. For example, a person might wear a fetching outfit to a party, drawing attention with their striking appearance. Or a piece of artwork might be displayed fetchingly on a gallery wall, capturing the admiration of visitors with its striking colors and composition. Overall, fetchingly is used to describe something that is presented in an especially appealing and captivating manner, making it stand out and capture people's attention.